Hello friends, this is TravellinGeek here, and finally I have received my Redmi K20 Pro. I bought this from the Flipkart, and as you can see, this is available in this shrink wrap purple paper. This is the K20 Pro retail box. As you can see, this is the version 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM edition. This is the flagship model K20 Pro and the flagship storage and RAM variant. This is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, as you all aware, and this is one of the most anticipated and much awaited launch of the year by the Xiaomi India. And as you can see, this is not imported but completely made in India. This is pretty unique. The color is glacier blue, and some few things behind the box. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core 14MP AI triple camera. As you all know, this comes with an AMOLED display, with the FHD plus resolution, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides. That's pretty unique. The back glass is 3D glass back with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The front, this phone has a 20MP pop-up camera, so you get a notchless display, no dot notch, no punch hole, nothing there. A full 6.39-inch edge-to-edge display. That's pretty nice, and most importantly, a flat screen. Then we have certain unique things like the AI first face unlock, as well as this supports the Quick Charge 4 Plus certification, as well as the USB PD, and supports the 27-watt fast charger. And this is the Sonic charger which I bought from the mi.com, the MI India store. And as you can see, this is the Sonic charger with a 5V 3A minimum base and then 9V 3A, which equals to 27 watts. And is also backward compatible with a Quick Charge 3. So guys, without taking much more time, I'm just going to cut this seal and open the box. Okay, then we have another box inside. I was expecting phone to be seen, and here we have the phone. But let's see first what exactly is the small box. Mostly this will contain the ejector pin. But what kind of pin is this? This is unique. Okay, this has the ejector pin. Then we have some bunch of leaflets. That is, so what is this? A very simple quick start guide. And as you can see here, guys, the phone is not packing the micro SD card slot, as it is only having the dual nano SIM slot, so it lacks the expandable storage. This is a very basic quick start guide, and this must be the warranty card. This is the warranty card. Okay, so this is the warranty card. Then we have a case here. Now this is not a transparent case. I was actually expecting a transparent case, but this is a hard plastic case. It's a black colored, as you can see, and having a very soft matte touch finish. I mean, this is pretty unique, no? I mean, the K20 Pro is the first phone from the Xiaomi which is having such a unique pattern at the back, and here is the brilliant phone. Okay, this is a bit difficult to open, so oh wow, now this looks awesome. And as you can see, this has a very unique pattern at the back. This is the glacier blue color. You also get the red color. That's the the firing red, or they call it flame red. And there is also a black color, that's they call it carbon black. But I like this color a lot, and there are a few reasons behind the same. First of all, this is not very much harsh to the eyes. I mean, it looks really nice to the eyes. Then you also get this red color power key. I mean, the red color power key is also there in the red color, but then I mean, it looks red on red. On the black model also you get the red colored power key. And here we have this horizon kind of more like a rainbow colored this ring around the telephoto camera here. You can see here it's having just dual nano SIM tray, so no expandable storage. So the bottom we get the Type-C port with a 27-watt fast charging, the primary microphone, the single speaker, but I heard this is a very powerful one, and this dual nano SIM tray. On the top we get this pop-up camera here. Then we have a secondary microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Nothing on the left, it's completely blank. We have some markings for the antennas, and on the right we have this red color power key which looks very iconic and stylish, and then we also have this volume rocker key. So what's written here, it's again the same 855 Snapdragon processor, 14 MP triple camera, 20 MP pop-up camera, and the AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And most important, this is a flat screen, so not curved screen, and I'm really looking this. I mean, the first impression in hand, the phone feels fantastic. It's a bit heavy. This is around 190 grams, not a very lightweight phone like 150 or 160 grams, but those are the long days. We no more have such lightweight phones with such a massive screen. So I'm keeping the phone aside, and let's see what else we have here. I don't know what's it, just a separator and the in-box charger. Now this is not a 27 watt, I'm pretty sure this is the Xiaomi charger, and I hope this gets focused. Yeah, this is the same 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere. So the highest is 18 watts and then the highest is 12 volt with 1.5 ampere. This is the same charger which Pocophone, the Pocophone gave inside the box. And we have a quality cable from the Xiaomi. This is the charging cable, and as you can see, this is having a Type-C port at the another end and a USB-A for the charger. So no headphones once again inside the box. I don't know why Xiaomi doesn't provide. They have some really good headphones, but they don't give even the Mi earphones basic with this. First impression, it looks really nice. Let me compare this phone size with the another competition from the Asus, that's the Asus 6Z. Even that phone is a pretty unique one. Here is the Asus 6Z. As you can see, both are having almost same size, that there is no much. In fact, the Asus is a bit taller. It's actually 159 mm tall, but yeah, and the Xiaomi is a bit less tall, just 156 mm tall. But as you can see, when compared side by side, Asus doesn't look that tall at all. It's slightly, this very marginal difference between the two phones. And both are almost the same weight. I mean, both are having 190 grams. Now, one major difference here, the Asus packs a whopping 5000 mAh battery, and the Redmi K20 Pro packs only 4000 mAh battery. Here is the display. As you can see, I'm just keeping this the basic setup as fast as I can. So people say that there is some option to disable the ads in this phone. There is some confusion exactly. The Xiaomi is saying that the K20 Pro series doesn't have any ads. I haven't seen that option yet. I'm still checking where exactly it is that. User experience and program, location. Okay, personalized ad recommendations. If you can see this option, I'm just disabling this personalized ad recommendation. Maybe after disabling this, I won't get any ads, so that will be a question. Okay, now we have option for choose a theme, classic or default. I'm just keeping that default, and the setup is complete, so that's cool. Finally, it is done. You can see here the home screen, and okay, this is not having the Xiaomi's own launcher, but this is actually having the Poco launcher. Now this is pretty unique. The display looks fantastic, and the first experience that the haptics I can feel here, and they are really good. So looks brilliant. I mean, this is not even a full display. This is not even a full brightness. As you can see, at a full bright, it is very bright. I'm reducing the brightness so you can see the stuff. Let's see what MIUI version this is running. Right now it is running the 10.3.1 stable for the that's MIUI global version, which comes with a main security patch, and this is running the Android Pie. And as you can see, out of the box, the Xiaomi gives a 240 240.98 GB out of the 256 to the user. 8 GB is the RAM version, and as we know already, this lacks the expandable storage. So what else? So let's start the camera and see how the camera UI looks. So the first thing it is showing is the ultra wide angle mode. Okay, this is pretty unique. So you can switch to the ultra wide angle camera mode. This is the 1x, this is the, okay, this is the 2x, that's a telephoto. So let's skip this cable. That's the 2x, that's the ultra wide angle, 125 degrees, and here we have the 1x. And let's check the pop-up camera. Wow, that looks really awesome. It has those lights. Pretty unique, no? So guys, I will have a complete detailed review of this phone very soon, and I will also post some unique videos about the K20 Pro which relates to the cellular performance, the Wi-Fi performance, the camera experience, the battery life experience, and also how much fast this phone gets charged with this massive 27 watt sonic wall charger, which is the quick charge 4+ charger, as well as the USB PD charger. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up. Thank you once again. Bye bye.